Welcome to Zelmar subscription box. Before you start, make sure you have your essentials ready. Wet wipes for quick cleanups, a wipeable tablecloth to protect your workspace, a glass of water to keep your brushes fresh, and a handy hand towel to keep things tidy. Now, let's dive into the creative process. Let's start by removing the frames. You should have 4. I've chosen light purple, but feel free to use any color provided in your kit. If there's any accidental paint on the sides, take a wipe and gently clean it off. It's time for the second coat. Ensure your pieces are completely dry before applying the second coat. And don't forget to clean your brushes regularly for the best results. When they are completely dry, set them aside until we need them in another video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on new subscription boxes.